So if you want more book gigs, you want more speaking events, you want more paid partnerships, then you need to start looking the part. You need to start using style as a conversion tool. This isn't optional. If you are the brand, then every time you step into a room, onto a stage, or in front of a camera, your image speaks before you do. And the truth is, most high achieving women are missing the mark. Not because they're not brilliant, but it's because they are dressing for convenience and not conversions. Today, I'm breaking down what to wear when you are the brand and why those last minute outfits aren't just wardrobe mistakes, they're missed opportunities. Let's get into it. Let's cut the fluff. Branding is not just your logo. It is not just your website. It is not just your Instagram page. It is not just pretty pictures. It's your presence, how you show up when you speak, how you're perceived when you're pitching, what your audience feels before you even open your mouth. Your wardrobe is a brand signal. So if your outfit says, I just grabbed what was clean, then you've already lost the room before your brilliance has even had an opportunity to shine. Let's get into the technical side, because your wardrobe isn't just about looking cute. Stage lighting, it washes out weak colors. Bad fabric choices, it reflects in the light. It makes you look cheap. Busy patterns, they're distracting on camera. So when you're on stage or on screen, your style needs to support your message. Think clean silhouettes. Think power colors. Fabric that catches the right light. Because when you're the brand, you're also the billboard. And trust me, people are reading. Now let's talk about power colors and psychology. So this is where science meets style. Power colors are not just buzzwords. They actually do influence perception. Red typically means dominance and passion. Blue equals trust and intelligence. Black equates to authority and elegance. White gives clarity and confidence. These are not random. These are actually psychological triggers. So when you wear power color strategically, you are not just dressing, you are positioning. So whether you are dressing for your next TEDx, a video shoot, a podcast interview, a photo shoot, your next keynote, these moments require more than a that'll do outfit. You're not dressing for dinner. You are dressing for destiny. So throwing on a random blazer that you haven't worn in 2 years, not good enough. Wearing something that kinda feels good, it's cute, it'll do, not good enough. You need looks that align with your messaging, your energy, your brand, your values, and your vibe. This is where image meets influence. This is styling at an executive level. So if you want more book gigs, you want more speaking events, you want more paid partnerships, then you need to start looking the part. You need to start using style as a conversion tool. This isn't optional. When your outfit communicates clarity, confidence, leadership, people trust you faster. And the trust, that is what sells. If people do not trust you, they're not going to buy from you. And this is why most successful women do not wing it with their style. They use style strategically because they know how they show up is actually a part of their brand promise. And so if you have taken anything away from this video, I hope that you've taken away that you do not need another random outfit. You need style strategy. If you're ready to create the type of visual presence that really attracts and magnetizes opportunities and not just attention, then book a one-on-one call with me. It is no pressure. It is just a conversation. Or if you're like, I'm not really ready for a one-on-one styling yet, then make sure you grab Effortlessly Elevated. It is an 85-page guide full of actionable steps and takeaways and strategies for you to enhance your wardrobe. Both will be linked below. Hit like and drop a comment if this hit home. Like, did you like this video? I hope that you did, because I see so many women that are just missing opportunities simply based on how they show up. So let me know if you like this video, and be sure to subscribe for more style strategy for powerful women building powerful brands. I'll see you in the next video.